Stop letting your bank rob you in Jamaica. Most people don't realize this. Your bank account is secretly draining your money. Here are 3 of the best accounts in Jamaica that help you save more and pay less in fees. JMMB Head Start account. No monthly maintenance fee, no dormancy fee. You can start with just $100. Sagicor E Advantage. Transparent fees, no monthly charges, and better savings options for USD accounts. JN Bank Smart account. Low transaction costs and decent saving options, especially if you use their mobile banking. Pro tip: always check these 3 things before opening any account. Monthly maintenance fees, ATM withdrawal costs, interest rate versus inflation, because every fee adds up and low interest equals slow death for your money. Drop a like in the comments if your bank charging you for just having money. Follow at AlphaFoxJA